From the Delhi studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Arnab Goswami on The Debate at 9. Presented by Polycab. Powered by American Express Platinum Card and Jaqua.
Good evening and welcome. Yesterday I said that I have problems with CAB. I have problems with the Citizenship Amendment Bill. I have problems with the Citizenship Amendment Bill because it says that people of some religions from Pakistan, Afghanistan and Bangladesh have a better chance and opportunity to be citizens of my country than people of other religions. And I stand by that. But tonight, when I hear Asaduddin Owaisi openly communalize CAB, when I see the same old lobby try to use it to fearmonger among Indian Muslims, when I see the pseudo-seculars tell 18 crore Muslims that this country is not theirs, was not theirs, and will never be theirs. When I see the same people from the Congress party say there are no illegal migrants in Assam, they said in the 90s, not one. Now the same people are pretending to be considerate about the economic opportunities of the youth of Assam. And when I see the likes of the communal Jignesh Mewani, the dangerous Jignesh Mewani, the Tukde gang Jignesh Mewani say that CAB will bring Hindu Rashtra. And when I see Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, that same Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary who uttered unpardonable rubbish in Parliament, now preach to us that India has lost its sense of humanity. When I see all this, then I say to them, don't cross the line. Don't communalize CAB, debate CAB, but don't you dare communalize CAB. Don't pretend to be a paragon of secularism, because you're not. And don't ever forget, to the members of this lobby and to that Congress party, don't ever forget that because of you, my great country was divided on the basis of religion. Because of you, we will never forgive you. And that is why I say, hashtag don't communalize CAB. Ladies and gentlemen, I have problems with CAB. You may as well. But are we going to say that in India, Muslims are not safe? Are we going to abuse the Hindu community? Are we going to do what Asaduddin Owaisi does and what Sonia Gandhi does? Sonia Gandhi tried that in Italy, not in our country. All that is coming up. That's debate number 1 and debate number 2 tonight. I say, I demand, I plead, I request tonight. Enough is enough. Hang the Nirbhaya rapists. If you see their mercy petition, you would feel like doing that in the next couple of hours. Republic says, hang them now. Hashtag hang them now is debate number 2, and here are the headlines. This Tuesday evening on The Debate Tonight. Protest but don't communalize. Let's tell them why citizenship is not. The citizenship bill is not a Hindu-Muslim issue.
अब वो ऊंचाई और ये पस्ती देखिए आप कि एक कानून ऐसा बनाया जा रहा है जो मजहब की बुनियाद पर बनाया जा रहा है.
Republic questions the bill and those dividing India as well. Let's debate the facts tonight.
काल एवढ्यासाठीच फक्त पाठिंबा दिला की कोणाला असं वाटू नये की याला जो पाठिंबा देईल तो देशप्रेमी, विरोध करेल तो देशद्रोही. नाही.
From backing the bill to buckling under Sonia Gandhi's massive pressure, the confused Sonia Sena has succumbed tonight. The nation that persecutes minorities tries to lecture India. CAB spooks Imran Khan. Nirbhaya rapists challenge India, challenge death. ridicule India and the system that's keeping them alive after 7 years. Enough is enough, we say. Hang them on the day my daughter was raped, says Nirbhaya's mother. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, I have a problem with the Citizenship Amendment Bill because I believe India is for Indian citizens. And I believe India is not and will never be a dumping ground for refugees all over the world. But what I also have a problem with is the synchronized, deliberate and almost frenzied attempt to communalize from people like Asaduddin Owaisi. Tonight, the opposition, the lobby, people like Asaduddin Owaisi have joined hands once again to engineer a Hindu-Muslim fight, a Hindu-Muslim divide. In less than 12 hours from now, CAB will reach the Rajya Sabha. But before that, I will expose the dangerous communal agenda of people like Owaisi. Let's debate.
There's anger across India and especially the northeast.
और असम एकॉर्ड वायोलेट करता है और कैब अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल है. We won't stop. They have the numbers and we have the spirit.
Protests are legitimate and even Republic TV questions the Citizenship Amendment Bill. What's wrong is the attempt to communalize CAB.
ये बिल सेकुलरिज्म के खिलाफ है, आर्टिकल 14 के खिलाफ है, तो ये तो पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिज्म है.
ये ओवैसी जिन्ना के पद चिन्हों पर चल रहे हैं, घृणा फैला रहे हैं, ये विभेद फैला रहे हैं.
Asaduddin Owaisi is leading the brigade who want to make it about Hindus versus Muslims. And he's getting support from the Congress party.
इस बिल को लाने के पीछे कहीं ना कहीं कुछ राजनीति है और संविधान में कहीं पर भी नहीं लिखा है कि धर्म के आधार पर भेदभाव हो.
ये यहाँ के मुसलमानों को ये बिल से कोई स्नान नहीं सकता. यहाँ का मुसलमान सम्मान के साथ जी पाएगा, जी रहा है, आगे भी जीता रहेगा, उसको कोई तकलीफ नहीं होने वाली.
The CAB or Citizenship Amendment Bill enters Rajya Sabha tomorrow, and here's how the numbers are stacked. It's down to the wire, with many parties testing the waters, throwing mixed signals.
हम राष्ट्र की हित की भूमिका लेकर शिवसेना खड़ी रहती है. ये किसी की मोनोपोली नहीं है, पहले ध्यान में रखना. ये जो कुछ लोग समझ रहे हैं कि हमारी मोनोपोली है, उसको भी छेद देने चाहिए.
सिटीजनशिप के 3 पहलू हैं. एक है कि आप यहाँ पैदा हुए, दूसरा कि आपके माँ बाप हिंदुस्तान में पैदा हुए, वो इंडियन सिटीजन्स हैं, और तीसरा है कि हिंदुस्तान की आप टेरिटरी में पैदा हुए. 3 पहलू हैं. इस आधार पर सिटीजनशिप दी गई. तो जो 34 मिलियन मुस्लिम्स यहाँ रहते थे, उनको किस आधार पर सिटीजनशिप मिली? क्योंकि वो यहाँ रहते थे, क्योंकि वो पैदा यहाँ हुए.
Each side has the right to question, but nobody has the right to divide. Let's debate.
You know, we have a lot of panelists on the debate today. And like Dr. Samujjal Bhattacharya, who's the advisor of the All Assam Students Union, like him, I also have problems with the Citizenship Amendment Bill. He has problems, I have problems. And not just as fellow Assamese, but as fellow Indians. We have concerns about the Citizenship Amendment Bill. But even Dr. Samujjal Bhattacharya will agree with me today that to make this a Hindu-Muslim issue is not right. Even Dr. Samujjal Bhattacharya will agree with me today that when Owaisi stands up in Parliament and says that Muslims have nowhere to go in India, then that is not correct. And therefore, coming as we do from a situation of genuine concern, I think both of us would say today, Dr. Samujjal Bhattacharya, I start with you, that we should not communalize CAB. We should not say that 18 crore Muslims in India will have to run away that 18 crore Muslims in India will be attacked, that we have become Hindu Taliban, that we are intolerant, I can in fact confidently say nothing will happen to any Muslim living in India. This is a foreigner's issue. It's a question of which foreigner you allow into India. It is not a question of what happens to the Muslims in India. So I want to first start with Dr. Samujjal Bhattacharya before I start with anyone today. Dr. Bhattacharya, do you agree with me that to communalize CAB, to make it a Hindu versus Muslim issue, is doing a disservice, to create a sense of insecurity among Muslims in India, is to create a disservice, is a disservice, you know, to the issue itself.
Right. The government of India is trying to communalize this issue. It's not a question of Hindu and Muslim. It's a question of citizen and non-citizen. That's the question. And India is for Indians. So it's a question of citizen and non-citizen. And earlier the Congress government, they had imposed INDT Act to protect the illegal Bangladeshis. Now the BJP government, they are imposing CAB to protect the illegal Bangladeshis. In the name of religion, in India, the citizenship cannot be defined. So we cannot accept.
No, but Dr. Bhattacharya, my question was different.
Part of government of India.
No, my question was different. No. I must warn you today about one thing. See, Asaduddin Owaisi is not your friend and will never be. Let me make it clear to you, Samujjal Bhattacharya. I know you very well at a personal level.
Right.
For more than 30 years, you know, we know each other. My question to you is, Asaduddin Owaisi is not your friend. He is only using the CAB controversy to tell the Muslims of India that Muslims in India are unsafe. Is that the right thing to do? Let us first get that part also correct. We are talking about a foreigner's issue, but
not at all.
Owaisi is using it to create Muslim vote banks. What is your view on what Owaisi is trying to do?
No. We are rejecting the communal views of Owaisi. He's always propagating on the line of Hindu-Muslim.
That's the point.
He's always propagating to protect the interests of illegal foreigners. That we cannot accept. We are facing here in Assam, here in Northeast, we are facing the threat of illegal foreigners to our culture, language, identity. And for that, for your information, the whole Northeast was born today. Whole 7 states was born today to protest against this CAB. We are facing. So please don't try to protect the illegal foreigners in the name of Hindus, in the name of Muslims. Foreigner is a foreigner.
Exactly, that's the point. You understood that, Vivek? Now I want to ask you, Vivek, 1 second.
Muslims are not allowed.
1 second, now I'll open the debate.
Arnab,
No, I'll open the debate now.
Let me tell Arnab.
I will open the debate now.
Just because the BJP has the numbers in both the houses, it doesn't mean that they'll reshape the constitution, right? This is an attempt. This is a legal attempt to establish Muslims as the second-class citizens. That's an honest thing which is coming from me.
I object to this.
Right. This is religious discrimination.
Okay, I ask you
discrimination.
No. I ask a counter to you. No, let me anchor the debate. Sambit, 1 minute. 1 minute. Viewers, can I have the volume up? I can't hear in the studio. 1 sec. I need everyone's audio up in the studio, please. First of all, thank you. Now hear me. Hear me. I heard you, Syed Aslam, but you're not making a speech tonight. That is a lie. It's a goddamn lie. You are a liar of the first order. First, you apologize on my program because that's a lie. You are a liar. Because I ask you one question, then encounter Syed.
It is
what
not.
Does?
It's an attempt to.
What does? What does CAB?
Legal attempt to.
Why are you fear-mongering? What does CAB do to affect any of the 18 crore Indian Muslims?
Why is there a discrimination?
What does CAB do to the 18 crore Indian Muslims?
Why is there a religious discrimination?
I am asking you.
Persecution happening on various communities. Legal persecution is happening on various communities. Why is it? Why only Hindus do this?
That's
The
a
Sikhs
white
and
lie.
Muslims are
Should not
allowed.
allow this
Why
kind
not
of
Muslims?
cannot to be spread
What
to
is the
national
difference between
television.
an immigrant and a refugee?
I mean, these people are lying through their
What
teeth.
is the difference
and when
between
these
an
people,
immigrant and a refugee?
just imagine
Mr.
how
Patna, I
blatantly
want to
these
ask you
people
today-
come and lie over
I
here in
want
the
to ask you
television.
today,
We have a
what is the
panelist over
difference?
here who
What
comes
is the
out and
difference
say that
between a
through this
refugee
bill,
and immigrant?
the Muslims of the country
you are
will become
trying your
second-class
best.
citizen
You are
of
trying
India.
your best.
I mean, please show me a single provision in this whole
Well, that is what
CAB
exactly you're doing
2019
today.
where
That
Muslims
is
of
exactly
India have
what
been
you're doing
mentioned
today.
anywhere.
You are-
I mean,
you are
where have
leaving
been
no
Muslims
attempt
of
to
India
create
mentioned in
hatred.
CAB
You are creating
2019?
a rift
I mean,
amongst the
tell me a
communities.
single right of
We are-
Muslims
we
of
believe
India
in
which
the
would be
Ganga
taken
Jamni
away by the
Tehzeeb.
CAB.
We
Tell
believe
me
in
a
the
single
Ganga Jamni
privilege of
Tehzeeb.
Muslims of
You
India
are
which would be
dividing the
taken away by
country on religious
CAB.
lines.
I mean, you all,
You are trying
I mean,
to create
Mr.
a
Goswami,
rift.
these people
You are
should
trying
not be
to
allowed
create a
to spread
rift
such
amongst
kind
the
of narrative,
communities.
you know.
You
This
are
will only
destroying the
fear
peace of
monger.
this country
This
by
will only
doing this.
spread hatred
You are
amongst Hindus and
destroying the
Muslims.
peace of this
And
country
this
by
is a
doing
classic
this.
case of breaking
No,
the
you
secular
are the
fabric
ones
of
who
India.
creating hatred.
These people
on
are
the communal lines.
these
You're
people are the
dividing
ones
the
who are
country.
trying to break the
There's a
secular
clear
fabric of India.
discrimination which has been observed. There is a clear discrimination. We, India
How
being
is
the
it dividing
secular
the
country,
country?
we have the right
I mean,
to
Mr.
equality.
Goswami, I cannot
You
take
are
this any longer. Please
discriminating
allow
on
me a few
religious
seconds to
lines,
come in over here.
which is absolutely unacceptable.
हो गया. I have heard
thank you.
Mr. Alam, I
Syed,
have
thank
heard
you. I
you.
now invite on the
Religious
debate.
lines.
Gentlemen, feel free to come in, but I need to keep tossing between others. Lalit Ambardar will now debate. Lalit Ambardar will debate with Syed Ahmad Ul Hussaini, Saeed Ul Qadri, President of the Qadri International Association. Now listen to me, please. Please let us lay the facts on the table, okay? Muslim population in Assam rose to 34.22 in 2011. Muslim population in Assam went to almost 35% in 2011. At any point of time, did Asaduddin Owaisi say that Hindus are becoming second-class citizens? No. Second point, when Rohingyas, when Syed Ahmad Ul Hussaini, Syed Ul Qadri on the right-hand side of the screen was fighting for allowing Rohingyas, when Asaduddin Owaisi was fighting for getting Rohingyas, when in Hyderabad Syed Ahmad Ul Hussaini, Syed Ul Qadri was organizing rallies for Rohingyas, did Ajay Alok say at that point of time, Lalit Ambardar, that Hindus are becoming second-class citizens because Rohingyas are Muslims? No. So what kind of rubbish are you trying to do? I will not spare you today, Mr. Qadri. India has had 4 Muslim presidents, 1 minute, and a decade-high Muslim representation in parliament. In Pakistan, a non-Muslim cannot be president. Wake up and smell the coffee. Don't try and tell Muslims to feel insecure. They will not, just because you stand there and preach from a pulpit and for your political reasons, you want to make Muslims insecure. 4,700 crore rupees is set aside to ensure special measures for whom? For India's Muslims and India's minorities. You people, Syed Ahmad Ul Hussaini, Syed Ul Qadri, come and create a panic. 1 minute, I'll expose you nicely. I have to expose you nicely or simply? I have to expose you nicely. 4,700 crores for Indian Muslims, special schemes. There are no special schemes for Hindus. So to stop saying that there is going to be a persecution of Hindus. All these schemes are running nicely under the Narendra Modi government, who you accuse of doing a Hindu Rashtra. You are the one who twists the facts. Today you are quiet and listening to me because you are thinking, how did Arnab come so prepared and how am I being exposed so badly on a live TV program? Now let me not spare you. Where were you when Hiteshwar Saikia stood up on the floor of the Assam Assembly and said, Mr. Speaker, sir, not a single Bangladeshi is there in Assam. I am from Assam, I know what is going on there. And by the way, what impact does CAB have on Indian Muslims? You are saying Hindu Rashtra, Hindu Rashtra, Hindu Rashtra, Hindu Rashtra, Hindu Rashtra. Arey bhai, the rights of 18 crore Indian Muslims remain unchanged. Remain unchanged. So you apologize.
Then why
Syed Ahmad Ul Hussaini, Syed Ul Qadri. Apologize.
Why you have not included
Apologize.
Muslims? Why you have not
Apologize
included
on my
Muslims?
program.
It is
Apologize on my program. Syed Ahmad Ul Hussaini, Syed Ul
It is
Qadri.
against the Indian Constitution.
Constitution?
Can I? Article 14.
Sir,
he
hello.
is doing.
India was not born on 15th of August 1947, sir. India is a thousands years old civilization.
Class
And there can be
classification,
nothing more
class
than
classification is allowed in Indian constitution. But class legislation they are doing.
What happened in
Class
partition?
legislation is against the Article 14 of the Indian constitution.
Millions of India
It provides the protection against the discrimination
theory, and Pakistan was
on
formed.
grounds of the religion, caste, and place of birth. What we are doing
before partition. Remember,
Kadri!
Remember, Indian Congress, then National Congress, neither Gandhi nor
partition,
Nehru
you people are
asked them.
responsible.
Those who
Hindu
betrayed
Mahasabha and
abandoned
Muslim
them
League
to the
ideologies
mercy
are
of
responsible for
Pakistani
partition.
jailers and
We never
Pakistani
accepted
judges.
partition. We have
Every
rejected
right
Jinnah's
on this
theory
motherland
in
India,
total.
remember. They have every right on this motherland India. You speak for Rohingyas. You guys targeted Amar Jawan Jyoti in Mumbai Azad Maidan. You created fear psychosis in the minds of hundreds of
now you say
Northeast
Hindu Rashtra.
citizens
Now they say Hindu
across
Rashtra.
India in the name of Rohingyas. And now you are
Hindu
disturbed.
Rashtra.
Remember, Nankana Saab's Granthi.
Kuch
He
nahi bola.
lost
Don't be
his dose of the
selective.
Pakistani Jat.
Don't be
selective.
It's quiet.
Your bill is selective. Every day in Sindh.
And Aslam also 3 versus 1 on the debate right now. Live on the screen.
Every morning because jihadis are listen, this is not about Hindus, this is about Indians. Indians that Nehru and Congress and communists you guys abandoned on partition. You did not bring them here. If you agreed to the partition, what was partition about? It was that Hindus and Muslims have chosen to pursue their destinations independently, separately. Why did you leave Hindus and Sikhs there? Why did you leave them
If
there?
only neighbors there, why not from Sri Lanka?
Nehru Pact. What was that?
Why not from
The first
Myanmar?
criminal thing was done when you accepted Jinnah's. You succumbed to Jinnah's blackmail and partition took place. You agreed that Pakistan is for Muslims of India. Now
We have rejected Jinnah's theory totally.
Chup ho gaye. Lalit Ambardar is on a roll tonight, taking on each one of them. And Waris Pathan is coming on them right now.
Nehru signed the accord with Liaquat Khan. You take care of your minorities. We take care of minor. That was bullshit. That was a sin. That was a sin. Listen.
Hindu Mahasabha
the kind of barbarity,
Waris is taking over.
barbarity Hindus and Sikhs
Name Waris
in East and
Waris
West
Pathan.
West Bengal. We must not only give them the citizenship, we must apologize and listen one more thing. The whole burden should not fall on Northeast. It's a small area with limited resources.
They don't want to follow the constitution.
Every state to
They
come
want to
forward,
divide the country in the
accommodate
name
all
of
these
Viewers on the debate tonight, 1 versus 4.
Jammu.
1
Jammu
versus
is the mother
This
for
bill is
every
much more
refugee
dangerous
in
than
India.
theory of Jinnah.
You chose silence.
You exclude the
when
Muslims.
citizenship
Why
rights were
may I ask you
denied
a
to Hindus and
question?
Sikhs
You want
under
to murder the
335.
secularism. You want to murder the democracy of this country.
Pakistan to flourish in Kashmir.
Waris is on the debate right now. Lalit Ambardar versus Waris Pathan. It's ending up being a hot debate, ladies and gentlemen. 23 minutes past 9, and I have to intervene. Lalit Ambardar, wait a minute. And Waris Pathan, wait. Wait a minute. I have a bad throat. I'll have a sip of water, and then I'll ask you a question, Waris. Just relax, please. Wait for your turn. Relax. Give me 5 seconds, okay? Don't shout, Waris, okay? Thank you very much. Waris Pathan, welcome to the debate. I know why you came late. You came late because you were doing your homework. You realized today that I am about to catch you red-handed.
No, I
so
was on
my
another channel.
sources tell me that you were doing last-minute research before the program. It's all right. I'm happy you've done your research. Now, viewers, let me ask him a few questions which will show Sambit Patra whether his research is good or bad. Welcome to the debate, Ratan Sharda. I will now proceed to expose Waris Pathan on live TV. Waris Pathan, you have said that we have become a Hindu Rashtra. Now, why have you said that? Because Hindus are being allowed from Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan. By that logic, we are also allowing Buddhists.
There are other examples also.
Lalit, we have become a Buddhist Rashtra. We are allowing Sikhs, we have become a Sikh Rashtra.
When you interfere
We are allowing
with the
Jains, we
Sharia
have become a
of the
Jain
Muslims. When you
No, answer my question.
Second, you go for the Babri Masjid. Introducing a bill very.
The issue is triple talaq. The issue is triple talaq. It's not cap. Waris Pathan completely exposes himself. Ladies and gentlemen, the cat is out of the bag. The cat is
have a penchant for inhabit. And ironically, the same Mr. Owaisi wants all the Muslims from the Islamic countries to come as citizens to India. No, I want to ask you a question. Mr. Goswami, is it not true that Mr. Owaisi and these hypocrites have continuously been saying that Mr. Modi's India is not in fact good place for the Muslims of India to stay? And ironically, it is the same Mr. Owaisi and same Mr. Waris Pathan who want Muslims from Afghanistan, Pakistan and Bangladesh to get citizenship of India. But is it not true that Owaisi said that India is not safe for Muslims? No, why were you saying then, which is true? You are the ones who were saying that India is not safe for Muslims. No, ironically, you want citizenship for Muslims.
You don't want to follow the constitution.
Mr. Owaisi,
what will happen to the right to equality? Why don't you follow? What will happen?
I have named
Article 15 says discrimination cannot be made in the name of religion.
Divisive identity in this country.
And who is Amit Shah? Now Amit Shah is a liking for Jinnah now. Amit Shah is a liking for Jinnah. Yesterday in the parliament is
Who is Amit Shah?
Congress is responsible for division.
Somebody said, who is Amit Shah?
I object.
Hello? What was Amit this morning?
Did I say anything?
He wants a second
Did I
partition
say
in our
anything?
country.
No, did I say anything? Who is Amit Shah? आप इतना जो तड़प रहे हो, क्या गम है जो छुपा रहे हो? आप इतना जो तड़प रहे हो, क्या गम है जो छिपा रहे हो? आपका एजेंडा चल नहीं रहा है। आप जो हिंदुस्तान को बांटना चाहते थे, आप हिंदुस्तान में राजाकार पॉलिसी डालना चाहते थे, आप चाहते थे 15 मिनट पुलिस हटाओ, फिर देखो हम क्या करेंगे। वो सब अमित शाह चलने नहीं दे रहे हैं। तुम इतना जो तड़प रहे हो, क्या गम है जो छुपा रहे हो? बताओ। You wanted to ask who is Amit Shah? Amit Shah is the one who saw to it that Article 370 was abrogated. Amit Shah is the one who saw to it that slavery has been implemented.
We have sacrificed our life.
Of course,
what will happen to the martyrs? They have sacrificed their life for the independence of this great nation. And today, you say Muslims will not be allowed. You exclude the Muslims in the bill. You have killed the constitution, Mr. Sambit Patra.
आप मुझे बताइए पाकिस्तान के मुस्लिम आप मुझे होता है इमरान खान आपका क्या लगता है? नहीं, इमरान खान आपका क्या लगता है? बताइए इमरान खान क्या? और ना इमरान खान इनके क्या लगता है?
आपको
इमरान खान आपके क्या लगते हैं? इमरान खान आपके क्या लगते हैं? आप जो उनके लिए इतना रो रहे हो, इमरान खान आपके क्या लगते हैं? बताओ।
इमरान खान मेरा
ये बाजवा क्या लगता है आपका? ये बाजवा आपका क्या लगता है? बताइए।
मेरा बांग्लादेश कुछ नहीं लगता।
As to why he is thumping and he's crying for every Rohingyan in this world, as to why he should be crying for every as to why he should be crying for every Muslim in Pakistan. Muslim in India should not be equated with Muslim of Pakistan. To say that if citizenship is not given to Muslims of Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan, it is akin to a torture in Indian Muslims, is only denigrating Indian Muslims.
Can I tell you what is Pathan? What is Pathan? I understand Samir Dalwai. I understand everything, Samir Dalwai, Ratan Sharda, Vijay Krishna. I understand everything.
Sambit Patra.
I understand everything.
Against the Muslims.
I understand everything. Samir Dalwai.
Never opened their mind.
Samir Dalwai and Ratan Sharda. What is the... If we can be honest with ourselves for 1 minute. 1 minute. Ratan Sharda, wait a minute. Let me direct the debate. I'm coming to you. See, viewers, can I speak to you for a minute and before that you come in? Viewers, what are you being told today? You are being told that the country in which you live, that this country is anti-Muslim. And let us not beat around the bush. Let us not fool each other. We should talk to each other. What are you being told? You are told that Narendra Modi and Amit Shah are anti-Muslim. And you are being told that Narendra Modi and Amit Shah have one basic agenda, which is Hindu Rashtra and anti-Muslim. Now, that is what you are being told. And everything about CAB, see, I am discussing CAB on merits. But these people like Waris Pathan and all are not discussing on merits. they are discussing on the basis of the fact that the bill is anti-Muslim. I am saying the bill opens the doors to Hindus, Buddhists, Sikhs from neighboring countries who don't deserve to be here. I am not saying also allow the Muslims in. I am saying don't let anybody in. But what are these people doing? People like Waris Pathan are patently communal people, ladies and gentlemen. People like Syed Ahmad Ul Hussaini, Syed Ul Qadri are being patently communal. They are trying to tell us our great nation is anti-Muslim. Are we anti-Muslim? Are we anti-Muslim? Are we anti-Muslim? We are not anti-Muslim. If this had been an anti-Muslim country, we are not an anti-Muslim country.
Listen,
we are not an anti-Muslim country.
Of local Muslims in it.
We are not an anti-Muslim country.
Of local Muslims in it. You are trying to be Ajay provocators. You are provoking Muslims of India in the name of Islam. Where is the mention of Muslims in it? Listen, Indians born in undivided India have every right on this motherland.
Viewers,
Nehru and Congress did not ask
people to on the debate. Ajay Alok, Ajay Alok, Ajay Alok and Samir Dalwai, Syed Ahmad Ul Hussaini, Syed Ul Qadri, Ajay Alok, I ask you, Ajay Alok, I take your name and ask you that by 2050, the Muslim population in India will be the largest on planet Earth, which means in the whole world, the maximum number of Muslims in any country will be not in Saudi Arabia, not in Indonesia, not in China, but in India. Now that is not possible unless we are a very pro-Muslim country. In fact, I would say we are a very pro-Muslim country. We are not an anti-Muslim country. Second point, Samir Dalwai, APJ Abdul Kalam is a Muslim. Muhammad Hidayatullah is a Muslim. Zakir Hussain was a Muslim. And Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad, by the way, also from my state of Assam, is a Muslim. Okay? In Pakistan, non-Muslims cannot even be Prime Minister, President, Deputy Prime Minister bhi nahi ho sakte. So I'm telling you, when so many Muslims have been President of India on top posts, we are a pro-Muslim country. Thirdly, the Muslim growth rate in states like Assam from 25% in 1941 goes up to 34.22% in 2011. You know the decadal growth rate of population in Assam is massive. Fourthly, there is 4,700 crores for Muslim upliftment. In Pakistan, minorities face ultrajudicial killings. We even promote Muslim pilgrimage. Crores of rupees are spent by the Narendra Modi government. Why? This Waris Pathan will not speak क्योंकि vote नहीं मिलेंगे इनको. Why? Just to ensure Hajj pilgrimage. What happens in Bangladesh? Hindu temples are destroyed. The fact of the matter is we are a very pro-Muslim country. Good. We should be pro-Hindu, pro-Muslim, pro-all religion. Why Owaisi? You don't like what I'm saying? Why Mr. Owaisi's partner? ये इन चीजों पे अजय आलोक, they want to communalize CAP, don't let them.
Listen,
Ajay Alok, question from Waris Pathan.
Problem is different.
Ajay Alok, your party's vice president Prashant Kishore said this bill.
Try and analyze it in a different perspective. Just a minute, Mr. Waris Pathan, cool down. एक बार सुनिए तो सही. Problem different है अर्णब गोस्वामी. Problem ये है कि the 6 people I am able to see in your window. The 6 people I am able to see in your window who are talking anti-CAP, they are actually biggest enemy of their own. And they are using this CAP. They are using this bill
said that this bill
as a tender. They are using this bill as a tender. That who is going to be the leader of the Muslims? As if you could tender through this bill के माध्यम से सबसे अपने आप को मुसलमानों का रहनुमा बताने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. अरे कौन मुसलमान को परेशानी है?
Vice President of the party, sir. Are you connected with the party or no?
हाँ.
Answer to my question.
परेशानी है.
Why did he say yes to
जैसे लोगों को
the bill is against
टेंडर में मेरा नाम आ जाना चाहिए, है ना? टेंडर नहीं देने वाला है मुसलमानों का. You guys have been exposed to the court that you just use Muslims for your vote. Nothing else.
क्यों रखा प्रशांत किशोर को पार्टी में?
कौन से आप कितने बार ओवैसी जी असम गए हैं मुसलमानों के लिए?
My question, Mr. Ajay Alok. What about Prashant Kishore? Are he your party's vice president?
You are just here to communalize. You are just here to I am not his spokesperson. Why you are taking his name so much?
You are communizing.
Are you obsessed with him? Go and speak to him.
Great nation.
Are you obsessed with him? Why are you taking his name so much? Answer me. मुसलमानों का रहनुमा बनने का टेंडर खुला है क्या? जो इतने जोर जोर से सब चिल्ला रहे हो, चाहे कांग्रेस हो, सपा हो, टीएमसी हो, आप ओवैसी हो, जितने लोग हो. You is the biggest leader of the Muslims. आपस में एक दूसरे पे लड़ने लगोगे,
बात करो,
एक दूसरे पे भौंकने लगोगे. हम लोग से लड़ने की क्या जरूरत है? पहले आपस में निपट लो.
बात करो,
पहले आपस में निपट लो कि मुसलमानों का लीडर कौन.
क्यों मुंह
और आप अपने आप को एक्सपोज करते जाओ. एक्सपोज करते जाओ, अपने आप को एक्सपोज करते जाओ. आपस में लड़ लो. पहले तय कर लो कि मुसलमानों का रहनुमा कौन. और सब के सब आप लोग दोगले चेहरे वाले मुसलमान हो,
जब तक
जिसने कभी मुसलमानों का भला नहीं सोचा,
संविधान की
सिर्फ लड़वाने की बात की. हम 20 करोड़, तुम 100 करोड़, यही सब बातें करते रहोगे क्योंकि ये शोभा देता है ना आपको. This kind of politics suits people like you, and because of you guys, Muslims have failed.
Khatri is also on the debate. Ajalo 1 versus 4.
In Hyderabad, why?
I take serious offense to what you said.
No democracy.
Mr. Kadri.
No democracy. You know democracy.
Samir Dalwai, 1 minute. Samir Dalwai, I know you are with the NCP, but you should speak the truth as well. Samir Dalwai and Ratan Sharda, please. Ratan Sharda and Samir Dalwai, 1 minute. Samir Dalwai and Ratan Sharda, wait a minute. First of all, Samir Dalwai and Ratan Sharda. Samir Dalwai, first I want to ask you. Can I ask you a question, Samir Dalwai? Can I?
Yes. By the way, look at the tiger.
You see, Samir Dalwai, I want to ask you that kuch to rahm karo. At least feel sorry for the Shiv Sena. The poor fellows don't know what to say. Sambit, they don't know what to do. They don't know whether to be anti-cab. They don't know whether to be pro-cab.
Mr. Goswami,
they have been calling Sharad Pawar every day. They be telling. You see, they don't know what to do. Samiर Dalwai, ये जरा Vijay Krishna of Samajwadi, Sonia Sena is with us on the program. Please give him permission to speak. The poor fellow, the moment he heard there was an NCP person on the program, Sambit, the Sonia Sena person, the moment he heard that NCP person is on the program, इसकी बोलती बंद हो गई. ये कुछ बोल नहीं पा रहे since then. The fellow is shivering and quivering in his boots.
When Syrian Muslims are never taken into Saudi Arabia or Syria or Qatar, where were they when the Syrian Muslims are not allowed into Islamic countries, when Chinese 1 million Muslims are being persecuted? Where were these people? Now they have got some mouth. They were never there when Kashmir Hindus were thrown because of religion. The Hindus of Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh are being tortured, are being raped, are being kidnapped because they are Hindus. None of the Muslims are talking about, are Indian citizen Muslims in touch? No. CAB doesn't touch the citizens of this India. These are the people who are coming out of India, from outside India. And if they have got their own countries, you bleed for Rohingya. You bleed for Rohingya. You're doing bleed for Hindus out in Pakistan and Bangladesh.
In Myanmar, are they not persecuted?
Their women are picked up and not touched at all. What did you do? They are terrorists. They are terrorists. They are about to break Myanmar. That is why they are not even like Myanmar. They are not like any other country. Why Rohingyas not
Why are you afraid of China? My question is simple.
Did you speak for Malaysia or against Malaysia?
Where does China come into this? Why do you really want to? Why do you want to derail this debate, Mr. Waris Pathan? Mr. Waris Pathan, you have to understand the basis of the CAB. The basis of CAB is, in fact, the countries with which we share an umbilical relationship.
Let me tell you.
Remember, as far as India, Pakistan.
Now, Sambit, can I take a pause? It's getting very embarrassing. Only Sambit, please. Only Sambit in the middle, and the NCP and Shiv Sena, Sonia Sena. I'm sorry, on air. Mr. Samir Dalwai, I request
को देखो कैसे बैठा है 9 बजे से एक आवाज नहीं निकाला है.
Sonia Sena permission to speak.
और ना टाइगर को
They don't know nowadays even.
9 बजे से म्याऊ भी नहीं किया है टाइगर. खाली बैठा है कोना में. खाली कोना में चुपचाप बैठा है. एक सब लोग बोल चुके हैं. एक म्याऊ तक नहीं बोले हैं टाइगर. चुपचाप एक पूरा पिंजरा में, आपने उनको पिंजरा में कैद किया है, वो पिंजरा में बैठे हुए हैं, फोन भी ऑफ किया हुआ है, फोन भी नहीं सुन रहे हैं.
But he has Bala Saheb Thackeray's picture behind him.
फोन ऑन है कि नहीं?
And he's wears saffron.
तो पिक्चर होने से क्या हो जाएगा?
This is a silence before storm. This is a silence before storm.
Storm आ रहा है.
Patra ji.
Tiger का
This is
storm
a
आ रहा है.
silence before storm.
Laughing at Shiv Sena.
The tiger is in the
क्या आप भी
crowd.
कल फाड़ेंगे CAB का बिल? क्या करने वाले हैं?
Being a learning politician, I'm just watching what my senior panelists have been speaking all the while. But I have a quote to you.
चलिए.
Slow and steady.
Let the tiger
wins the
watch.
race.
We should
if
debate.
you want the book, please buy a book from an LKG
they want to be
student.
slow and
There's a
steady.
story about hair and
tiger has
wild
turned
hair and
into a hare.
tortoise. In the
ये
running
tiger
race,
rabbit बन गया है.
it is the
Slow and
tortoise
steady
which
wins the
wins
race.
gradually, not the running hare. I feel that
the tiger has become the
BJP is
tortoise.
rushing
अच्छा.
on this bill without taking into consideration all the parties, all the opposing people. Now
So why did you support the
where
bill in
there are
Lok Sabha yesterday?
constitutional guarantees, including the inner
No, why did you support the bill in the Lok Sabha yesterday if it was without any consideration?
Against you,
So your support for the bill on the floor of Lok Sabha yesterday was without any consideration.
In this country.
What do you mean to say?
And I would like to appeal to Samit Patra ji, what has happened to Kashmiri Pandits post 370 abrogation? Have you been able to resettle them in Jammu and Kashmir? No. And please look
by the way, have you recalibrated your thought process for Article 370's abrogation as well? Do you still stand with the Article 370 abrogation, or have you recalibrated yourself?
I am telling, I will not lie from the bottom of my heart.
Just a minute.
Andhra Pradesh is now under the grip of evangelical terror. No Hindu is safe in India itself.
तीनों जो फ्रेम में हैं, एक ही थाली के चट्टे बट्टे हैं, तीनों फ्रेम में सेना, बीजेपी, एनसीपी पूरे देश को बेवकूफ बना रहे हैं.
Can I ask the panther?
पूरे देश को शिवसेना
Can I ask the cat?
दे दिया राज्यसभा में समर्थन.
Sir, Yakubi, let me tell you. Sir, let me tell you one thing.
टाइगर बिल्ली बन गया.
Sir, let me tell you one thing. Mr. Sonia Sena.
Why don't you
sometimes I tell you one thing. Sometimes I'll tell you. I ask you one thing. Wait a minute. I want to speak to Vijay Krishna. Vijay Krishna, listen to me. Vijay Krishna, listen to me. I'm talking to you. Vijay Krishna, listen to me. Vijay Krishna, listen to me. Listen to me now. Okay. Vijay Krishna, I'll tell you, I like to go on morning walks sometimes. And when I go on morning walks, I often see cats. And I like to sit quietly, stand quietly and observe the cat. And you know the cat, if you ever observed a cat, the cat moves exactly in the same way. Listen to me. Don't. The cat is an amazing animal. You know, it moves extremely slowly and gently, and then it runs also. Its movements are almost. Waris, you be quiet. Waris, you stay out of it. Volume down. Waris, volume down. Listen to me. The cat moves with the same stealth as that of a tiger. And I feel very sorry for the cat. I'll tell you, I'm sorry, I feel bad for cat lovers, but I feel sorry for the cat. You know why I feel sorry for the cat? Because you know something. The cat is a domesticated animal with a master. But even a domesticated cat living in the house of its master, being fed by the master, thinks it's a tiger. Your master is on the right-hand side of the screen, the NCP. And today, you are behaving like not just a cat, you're behaving like a pampered, domesticated cat. You believe you are on the prowl. You have a severe identity crisis. You don't know who you are. You are no longer a tiger. You are a domesticated cat. Do you understand? A domesticated cat. Not even a cat who's out there on the streets. You are a cat living in someone else's home. You are being fed by your master. You walk and talk with your master. You understand? If you have to go out or come in, it will be the permission of your master. So never forget, you are now a cat. Now be a good cat and answer my question. Like a good cat, answer my question. Are you for cab or against cab? Yesterday, you, like a good cat, and you be a good cat today, okay? Tell me, are you for cab or against cab? Yesterday you were for cab, today you are against cab. Please tell, nation wants to know, why have you changed your position?
Good cat.
सोनिया गांधी से फोन आया था क्या?
Arnab Goswami
good cat. Now you behave.
You know that we were always been speaking.
That's the tone of a domestic cat.
Arnab Goswami ji, thoda shant rakhiye ji. Shantam papa.
That's the tone of a domesticated cat.
Whatever you say, it is your opinion, and I respect it. But I do not subscribe to your views. Please, I am answerable to the nation. The nation wants to know. We've been persistent enough to support citizenship amendment bill.
Samir Dalwai.
One second. And that was a reason.
Why did he change his position?
That our MPs, 17 MPs support. One second. But we have pertinent questions. Which state is going to absorb the refugees?
I feel so sorry for you.
So how were you voting in the Lok Sabha without?
I feel sorry for you. I feel so. My heart goes out for this domesticated. My heart goes out for this.
Liberal rhetoric on Kashmiri Pandits. Listen, we are indebted to Bala Saheb Thackeray. He was one of the first politicians to grant us educational facilities because he understood genocide cannot be reversed by political rhetoric. We are victims of genocide, and you by political.
Samir Dalwai is on the debate. Samir Dalwai has one question. Samir Dalwai, my question to you is 1 minute. 1 minute. Samir Dalwai. Now Samir Dalwai, 47 minutes past 6. Only Samir Dalwai and me. Samir Dalwai as the owner.
Demographic change took place right under India's constitution in Kashmir with the genocide of Kashmiri Hindus. You chose silence.
Thank you. Samir Dalwai, my question to you is very simple. It is being told to me that my country, because we have brought in cab, is anti-Muslim. I have a very simple question to you. Ratan Sharda is a Hindu. If Ratan Sharda says that I want to go on a pilgrimage to the Pashupatinath temple in Kathmandu, right? Pashupatinath temple in Kathmandu, then will he get 100 crore rupees as a budget so that he, his friends and everybody and all like-minded Hindus can go on a government-sponsored Pashupatinath pilgrimage? Or for that, why Pashupatinath? If he wants to go to Kamakya Mandir in Guwahati, will the government say to Ratan Sharda, here is 50,000 rupees for your hotel and train journey, please go for a pilgrimage to the Kamakya Mandir? He won't. But if Muslims want to go, then the government sets aside separate money for the Hajj pilgrimage. My question to you is, Ratan Sharda, allow me to complete. Ratan Sharda, allow me to complete. Ratan Sharda, allow me to complete. Allow me to complete. When there is separate money for Hajj, when there is the Commission for Linguistic Minorities, then how can you say this country is anti-Muslim? There is no such provision for Hindus. So why are you part of a anti-Muslim narrative? Please tell everyone on the program that the NCP does not believe that the Modi-Amit Shah government is anti-Muslim in any way. Please say it. Rise above political debate.
Mr. Goswami, absolutely, we should write about the political debate, and thank you for giving me a voice.
They will always
I think ours is a great country.
For them, the national food is never good enough.
Will you just let me speak?
Dalwai,
I haven't
continue.
said a word. Come on. Okay, go ahead. Shout. Thank you so much. This country is an exceptional country because this country has always been home to everybody and has treated everybody equally. So there is no question of anti-anybody. This country and the people in this country from all kinds of backgrounds have supported an inclusive state. I completely agree with you, Mr. Goswami, when you said that you are against communalizing of
Mr. Dalwai, I simply want to show as to why you have, I want to ask you a question as to why you took a U-turn. Because I have with me one of the statements, one of the statements made on
Samir Dalwai should continue his point.
by the then leader of Congress Party, Dr. Manmohan Singh.
I'm just saying something.
Samir Dalwai should be allowed to speak. Samit, he's not spoken through the entire program. Thank you, Samit. Don't do this. Don't do this. This is not Lok Sabha. You don't have a majority on the program. Please, Samit. No, I'm sorry. This is not the Lok Sabha. Meenakshi Lekhi is not in the chair. 1 minute, Samit. Let Samir Dalwai speak.
Yeah, so Mr. Goswami, obviously I agree with you that we should talk about it on its merits. And I want to congratulate you on the stand that you have taken, that it's not only about one religion that has been excluded, but are we including all the religions together? And you are on the point of constitution, and you are right, because the matter should be decided on basis of constitution. So are we going to distinguish on citizenship on basis of any religion is what the constitution allows. The second issue is about NRC. If this bill and the NRC were not coming together, it perhaps would not have created the same situation that it is now, in my humble opinion. Because when you look at NRC and when you are going to look at people coming out and
Mr. Goswami, I really need to come in over here. These points have to be rebutted.
It's the one who are the
I understand what your problem is. You do not want Muslim infiltrators to go out of this country, and you do not want.
As I close the debate, last word, Samujjal Bhattacharya. Samujjal Bhattacharya, I want to tell you at the very end, you began the debate, I end with you. I allow you, sir, at the very end to speak up for the people of Assam and the people of the Northeast once again. You heard the national politics.
Yes,
what do you think? Yes.
Right. I like to tell my countrymen that Assam is burning, Northeast is burning. And today the thousands of people, they came out to the street in Guwahati city and throughout Assam, the people came out to the street to oppose CAP. This is the reality. And Assam and Northeast
Our heart goes out for all the people of Northeast.
Signed in 1985. And Accord said, who have entered after 71, Hindu-Muslim, they can stay. Those who have entered after 71, they must be deported. Assam and Northeast.
Samujjal Bhattacharya, I thank you for speaking your heart out, as I do to everyone tonight. And I thank you for joining me on debate number 1. Debate number 2 on Hang Them Now is coming up in a few minutes, ladies and gentlemen. Come back on The Debate.